Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I'm going to make a hair tonic for strong hair growth using rosemary and cloves. Cloves enhanced blood circulation. It have properties that can help stimulate blood flow in the scalp, which may promote hair follicle activity and encourage hair growth. It is rich in essential nutrients. Cloves contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can nourish the hair follicles. Rosemary strengthens hair, prevents hair loss, boosts hair growth, helps with dandruff. The results suggested that rosemary is as effective as minoxidil. Apply this hair tonic daily for best results. Do not rinse.